Hi guys! Today we're going to draw Doctor Strange. This is my Doctor Strange video. Lego figure, and I got this Lego figure like when I was like 6 years old, and now I'm 8. So, I'm doing Doctor Strange because today I'm watching Doctor Strange the movie. Don't care about that, like, ding ding. It's just like a metal, protector. It's just doing it because, like, the thing, like, my iPad I'm filming it with is, just, sees it. So it's just, like, ding ding. It does it whenever there's metal in the room. It does it a lot. You should watch Superhero Squad. It's on Disney Plus, and it used to be on Netflix. And like the first few episodes, some of the first episodes, Doctor Strange is in it. Only if you like Doctor Strange, because I love him. He's awesome. But I don't really get Doctor Strange that much because, like, I don't really get, like, know his kind of thing because he's always talking about, like, magic. Oh, and there's going to be a new Doctor Strange movie, and Scarlet Witch might be in it. I told you that in Showing Characters Part 1 of Lego Marvel Avengers. You should watch it. Thank you for everyone who watched my Power Ranger videos and Lego DC Supervillains, and thank you who watched my Power Ranger videos live on Mixer. We're 2 minutes in, and so far, this is our Doctor Strange. Oh, if you're ever wondering what the, necklace thing is, it's the Eye of Agamotto. In Avengers Secret Wars, someone says it was his eye and he ripped it out of his eye. But in the movies, that is a thing that, God, keeps in the Infinity Stone. But then he had to give it to Thanos because he said that's the only way for us to win. But then it snaps out half of the universe away. But then they beat him in Avengers Endgame. Disney Plus. If you're watching this video, comment below why is Avengers Endgame, Avengers Infinity War, not on Disney Plus. Like every other Avenger movie is, besides Avengers Infinity War. Avengers Endgame is, and Avengers Endgame came out 1 year after Infinity War. Disney, if you're watching this video, why? Is it because Netflix has it on? And why also is Ant-Man and the Wasp not on Disney Plus? Or is it? I didn't check yet. I don't think it is. Subscribe, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. I'm going to put some black in the blue because if you see the Lego figure, his blue is tiny bit darker. See? That kind of looks better. That was just the markers. Sorry, I was covering it. This is our Doctor Strange. And this is our Doctor Strange. I'll just take him off the platform. 1 second. He just lost his legs. That's better. Comment below if my Lego figure looks like my drawing. Subscribe, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. 1 second, I'm not done. I thought I was, but I'm totally not. That's just more markers. That's better. I forgot to color in his hair. Now, bye.